Hello friends, welcome to my channel Coding Lovers. We are going to create first Go program without VS Code. We will try to understand some basic concept of Golangs. We will understand two important concepts of Golang, Go root and Go path. Go root is where Go SDK is installed. Go path is the path of your project. Type Go env on command prompt. It will display the list of Go environment variable. We need to verify that Go root and Go path are correct. For setting temporary Go path on Windows, we can use set command of window. Now we will create the project. We will create our first Go program. We will create a folder hello Go. Now we will follow Go standard structure, src, pkg and bin folder. Paste again. Bin pkg. src is for source, bin for binary, pkg for library. So within src we will create a folder hello. Within hello folder, we will write source code. So we will copy the path, open Notepad++, file, save as, we'll paste the path. We will save the file name hello.go. All type is selected, so it will save as go file. Now we'll type the code. First statement is package, so we are going to run it as a main program. So first package would be main. We don't require any semicolon for line termination. Then import format. We want to print the string hello world, so format will help in printing the string. Now we will write the function func main curly braces fmt dot println hello go. Print and ph in capital letter. We can save the file. Now our program is ready. We will compile and run it. We will open command prompt cmd. We will go in our project directory cd path. It is in D directory, so we will type D colon. It will go in our project directory. Now we will check two environment variable go root and go path are correct or not. So we will type go env. It will show go path is C user Vivek go. What is go path? Go path is path of our project, so we will set it manually. What is go root? C go, which is correct. So what is path of our project? We will copy this path and we will set here set go path equal to B Vivek work go quick start hello world. Now we can check go path again. Go env. So if you will see go path is now updated. Now we will go on our PPT. For running Go code, we can type command go run file name. It will run. Go run hello.go. So it is printing hello.go, which is correct. But if you will see the directory, there is no binary file. So if we want binary file, we run go build command. Go build. It will create binary file in current directory. For building go code, type command go build or go install. So if you will see, here is the binary file. We can run it directly hello.exe. We can build binary file in bin directory also. So if you will see bin directory, it is empty now. We can use -o parameter with build -o and where I want to build. So current directory source bin. Here I want to build the exe file. So if I will run this command, it will build exe file in bin directory. Now I can run this file from bin directory. Okay, so we can cd to bin directory, cd bin. We can cd to bin directory. Now we can run hello.exe. This is printing hello, which is correct. Now we will explore first Go program. The file which contains main method would be in package main. This is the mandatory rule. In case of main method, src folder name would not be main file package name. For example, if main file is within src hello package, package name would not be hello, it would be main. It is different from some other programming languages like Java. Similar to other programming languages, Go has inbuilt packages which helps in performing most common activities. For example, format package help in printing the string on the console. So if you will see the code is within hello folder, but package is main because it contains main method. Now we will discuss about Go code structure. Package would be the first statement of any Go program. Import would be the second statement if any import is required. After import, we can write the function. Generally, we write main function. Go main function is different from some other programming languages like C, C++, Java. It doesn't take any command line arguments. But there exists a different way to read command line arguments, which we will discuss later in this series. So if you will see the file, first statement is package statement, second is import statement. After that we have written the function main, and after that we have written the format.println hello go. It will print hello go on the command prompt. Thanks for watching Coding Lovers. Like and subscribe.